Hello students, today I am going to teach you about the fundamental of the computer. So let's start the class.
Hardware and software. There are two main parts of the computer system, hardware and software. Hardware. The physical part of the computer are hardware. Hardware is any part of the computer that you can touch. For example, keyboard, monitor, mouse, CPU. Keyboard. It is the most common input device. We press the keys present on the keyboard to input data. Monitor. It is the main output device. The computer communicate and display the data on the monitor. It shows whatever we type on its screen. It displayed the information after processing raw data. Mouse. Mouse is a pointing device that is attached to the computer. We can move the cursor on the screen. We click on it like single click, double click and drag on the screen. System unit. The system unit is the most important part of the computer. It has the main component called microprocessor and the CPU, central processing unit. CPU manages all the activities of the computer. All other parts are connected to CPU through wires and cables. The actual processing is done through this unit only. That's why it is called the brain of the computer. The main parts of the CPUs are, there are three main parts of the CPU. First is MU, memory unit. Memory unit stores the information of the computer for making calculation. This temporary storage is made of registers. Registers is a device used to store a specific amount of data. If you want to store information permanently, send your data to permanent storage devices such as CD, DVD, hard disk, pen drive. The main parts of the CPU. ALU, arithmetic and logical unit. This is the arithmetic and logical unit that perform all the calculations and logical operations. CU, control unit. Control unit manages all the operations of the computer system. Software. Hardware cannot do any task without being instructed by the software. Software tells what to do and in which order to do. The programs or set of instructions in the computers are called software. It enables the computer to do a certain task. Only hardware alone can not do anything. Never use pirated software. Always use original software. There are two types of software. First is system software and application software. Types of software: user, hardware, OS, application. System software, it is a set of programs that controls all the operations of the computer. Operating system is a part of the system software that makes a computer able to run. OS, operating system, it is a set of programs that controls the working of the software as well as hardware. It manages all input, processing, storage and output activities of the computer system. The examples are Windows 10, Mac, MS-DOS, Unix and Linux. Application software. It is designed for a special purpose. Using it, we can do a particular type of job like MS Word helps you to type word, letter, notice, application, etc. The word processor. These software help you to work with letters, notes, applications, etc. We can type using keyboard and also make corrections while typing or even after typing. Example is MS Word. Now graphical software. Graphic software. You can do a lot using a graphic software. Various tools like pencils, eraser, brush are available under it. You can draw with a pencil, give shapes, give effects. Paint is an example of graphic software. Database software. These softwares stores a large amount of data in form of meaningful reports. Some examples are Office, MS Excel and MS Access. Some other application software. Games for fun and enjoyment. MS OneNote for gathering, organizing, searching, sharing data and information. MS PowerPoint for preparing presentations. MS Outlook for email. Difference between hardware and software. Hardware can be seen or touched. It is a physical part of the computer. Software, it cannot be seen or touched. The examples of the hardware are keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU and printer. Examples of the softwares are Windows 10 and MS Word.